I'm gonna show you how you can turn your niche sites into cold hard cash. We're starting right now. Well, what's up guys? My name is John, and if this is the first time you've clicked on my video and you have no idea who I am, hi, my name is John, and on this channel here, we actually teach you how to take your internet connection and your laptop and turn it into cold hard cash. So if that interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. So just like in all my videos, I'm constantly trying to find ways to help you guys generate an income online. And over the past couple of months, I've actually been doing some research and I've been following a few marketers that have perfected the art of creating these niche websites and, creating this high quality content at warp speed. And then these sites eventually get ranked and they get found in Google, and then they actually start generating a decent amount of income per niche site. Now, I was actually able to speak to one of these guys, and he kind of showed me the secret to his success of how he's able to create these niche sites really quickly and generate somewhere between $2,000 and $3,000 per niche site. And so I got that information, guys, and I'm going to be sharing it with you right in this video. So let's go on and jump over to the laptop and get to the niche site business. All right, guys, so we're going to jump right into this video. And there's no secret that Google loves great content. And if you're consistently producing high quality content for your blog, Google will eventually find that content and rank your blog, which will bring you a lot more traffic, which ultimately will make you a lot of sales. So the problem is that most people, when they first start out, they don't know how to write articles, they don't know how to do SEO, they don't know how to do the research. There's a learning curve involved when you're doing blogging and article marketing. So people usually will try and fail, or they won't even start. So what I want to show you guys today is a process that you can actually use to create these niche sites to produce high quality content without doing all the heavy lifting. So in front of you here, I have a couple different steps, and I'm going to be walking through these steps real quick, and then we're going to go to a couple different websites and we're going to show you how you can actually start creating these niche sites and having most of the work pretty much done for you, and you can start creating these niche sites for yourself. So step number one is you basically going to find private label rights articles, and that's basically PLR articles that you can actually own the rights to use. You're going to purchase these articles in packs, and then you're going to get a WordPress website created. You're then going to either rewrite those articles that you purchased or get them rewritten, and I'll show you guys that in a second. And then you're just going to post those articles throughout the month on your blog, and eventually your site will get ranked and you'll start getting traffic and you can start making sales through affiliate marketing. So let's go ahead and jump into this a little bit deeper. So first of all, I'm here at a site called easyplr.com, and what this site does is it sells quality private label rights reports and article packs. So if I scroll down, you can actually see that they have article packs, and it says each article is at least 350 words. Most are between 400 and 600 words. And then you can see the different topics that they have. So you can have this topic here of family and parenting, health, household, food. They have internet marketing, network marketing, personal finance. But if I just click on this first topic and it says family and parenting, you can see that this has article pack has 5 articles, and they are 3,000 words per article. And these articles are definitely well written, and they only sell a certain amount of these articles. So obviously multiple people can buy them, but they're only going to sell a certain amount because they don't want the information to be too saturated. But we're actually going to show you a way to rewrite these articles so that you don't have to worry about plagiarizing or your information being the same as somebody else. And you can actually see that these articles, this pack of articles only costs about $5. So you could actually get this particular pack for $5 and you have all of these articles completed. Let's look at another site. Here's another site called digitalproductspro.com. And look at these different niches here. You got a niche in depression, emotional overeating, 10 muscle articles. And look how the price of these articles, we're talking $1.37 for 10 articles on how to build muscle probably, right? So the idea is, guys, you can get these articles done or purchased for really cheap, right? So now you have your articles. What you then need to do, because multiple people are buying these articles, is what you need to do is either rewrite the articles yourself or you can have them rewritten. So if you have the expertise to go ahead and rewrite the articles, you can actually just, put the articles on like a Word document and then maybe start rewriting the articles, however you go through your process of rewriting. But you want to make it so that the article is unique and that it would pass like a copyscape test so that it doesn't look like it's duplicate content on the internet. The other thing that you can do is, if you don't want to write the articles yourself, is you can pop over to Fiverr, and they have gigs for article rewriting. And you can see there's a number of gigs here that will, charge you $5, $10 to rewrite your articles. So you could basically take the articles from this site here, say this muscle article pack, for $1.37, and now you can go over to Fiverr and take those 10 articles, and for $5 you can get them rewritten, and now they're unique and they're great content because you basically purchase from people that do this all the time and they're good at article writing and SEO. Secondly, if you really want to go all into this strategy, I actually went over to onlinejobs.ph, which is a website that has a lot of Filipino workers that will work for you full time, and it's very affordable because these individuals, the dollar value is much different in the Philippines as it is in the United States. So I actually went into onlinejobs.ph and I typed in article marketing, and I basically just found this one person here that does content creation, blogging, and article writing. And it says they have a bachelor's degree, 7 years of personal blogging, 7 months of content writing and internet marketing space. So the workers on this website, they're educated, they have bachelor degrees, they have experience. You can ask for samples. And what's so amazing about this is that you can actually get a full-time worker. We're talking 40 hours a week for about $388. So imagine if this was a strategy that you're going to start deploying on a consistent basis, where you're creating these niche websites and you can have somebody writing for you and posting to your blogs, high quality content on a consistent basis, 40 hours a week, that is, and having all this content out on the websites. You're going to get some of these websites ranked and you're going to make some money. So the idea is that you get the content, right? Because that's kind of the hard part. A lot of people won't sit down. They don't do the research. They're not good writers. So you get the content in bulk. You then take the content and you either rewrite it yourself or you find somebody or you outsource it and get the content rewritten. Then you can actually go and create your blog, your niche blog. So say if you wanted to go ahead and do a blog on creating muscle mass or whatever the case may be, create a WordPress blog, and you can even outsource that at Fiverr. You can just type in like blog creation, and you'll find people on Fiverr that'll put a WordPress blog site together for you for really inexpensive. And then you start posting these articles on a consistent basis throughout the month on your blog. Now, the way you make money with your blog is you integrate products into your articles. So if I'm promoting articles on muscle mass or gaining muscle, I could then go over to ClickBank. I could find digital products. I could go over to Amazon. I could maybe find physical products, maybe supplements that people can purchase, maybe some sort of workout equipment. There's all sorts of things that you can actually sell within your content. So let me just recap on the actual process. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to a couple of these different PLR article sites, and then you want to buy article packs in the niche that you want to create your sites around. You will then buy those article packs and then you'll go over to places like Fiverr, or you can actually rewrite the articles yourself. And then you'll have your articles rewritten, and then you want to start posting your articles and your information to your blog throughout the month. You don't want to dump them all at one time. You want to do it, you know, maybe every couple days or once a day, and then build on top of that so that Google has time to get your information indexed, and it will start finding your information, and it'll eventually get ranked in Google. And the idea is to, you know, create as many of these niche websites as you possibly can. You never know what is going to absolutely take off and make you tons of money. Maybe some only make you a little bit of money a month, and maybe others make you a lot more. But the idea is the more website real estate that you have out there online, the better chances you're going to get Google to pick up on that information, rank that information, and then they're going to go to your websites, and then you're going to have like your affiliate products integrated in your articles, whether it's digital or physical, or maybe it's even services that you may want to provide. These are all things that you can actually sell on your niche site. So I hope all of this made sense to you guys. If you have any questions about the whole method or strategy, you can leave it in the comment section below. Make sure you hit the like button on this video if you enjoyed it, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.